Today we're going to take a look at a metal cage from Ulanzi, the G9-14. It's a metal cage for the GoPro Hero 9 as well as the new GoPro Hero 10. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay guys, this is what's in the box. As you can see, it comes very well wrapped with our favorite bubble wrap. And here's our cage. This is a metal constructed cage. It has a rear door, a side door, a mic adapter for your GoPro. It has a total of 3 cold shoes, one here, one on the top, and then the cold shoe that's used for the mic adapter. The mic adapter can be removed, but take note that this cold shoe is the best location for your mic adapter. As you can see, there's a little indentation here, and on the mic adapter itself, there's a small ball bearing, and that allows it to lock in place, like so. In order to get your GoPro into this cage, there's a button here that says push. You just push forward and this rear door opens and you can easily close it. And then here at the bottom, there's another door. And as you can see, the little arrows pointing away, press that forward and then you can open this door as well. So let's put our GoPro inside. You would take your GoPro and just slide it into the cage. This door has to be open. Then you can just slide it into the cage like so. Then at that point, you can close the cage, then close this door, and now your GoPro is ready to be accessorized. And as you can see here at the top, you still have access to your start and stop button. You have access to your mode button. You have complete access to your screen. Here at the bottom, you have 2 magnetic feet. And you also have a 1/4-20 if you wanted to use a traditional tripod to mount this. Overall, I think this is a really nice cage. You also have 2 additional 1/4-20s up here at the top that you could attach accessories like a magic arm or something like that. All right guys, that's pretty much it. The metal cage from Ulanzi. This is the G9-14.